Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to transfer money from email to bank account. Did someone send you money to your email and now you need to transfer it to your bank account? Don't worry, it's simple. Here's how to do it step by step. First of all, open the email where you received the money. It should be for it should It should be from a trusted payment service like PayPal, Jill, or another provider. Click on this link in the email to claim the money. If you if you already have an account with the payment platform, log in. If not, you will need to create one to access the funds. Once logged in, go to the settings or wallet section of the platform and add your bank account details such as account number and routing number. This is required to transfer the money. Now go to the transfer or withdraw option. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer details and hit send. Depending on the depending on the service, the money may take 1 to 3 business days to show up in your bank account. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from an email to your bank account. Like and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.